Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for November 28th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This pair closed higher during today's session, filled the gap. We are looking for it to potentially continue to the upside, possibly going as high and hitting some resistance around 78.25, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 77.41. All right, let's take a look at the Euro USD pair. This pair closed down just by a little bit, has not retraced its gap. As of yet, we are still looking for that to occur. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 134.81, possibly as low as 131.54. Look for some resistance around 134.05 and look for some support around 132.05. Now, the pound US dollar pair. There we go. Pound US dollar pair pulled higher, gapped up, pulled higher, closed higher. Look for this pair to fill the gap. Still looking for that. Look for it to potentially go as high as 156.63, possibly as low as 153.55. Look for some resistance around 155.95 and look for some support around 154.15. Now the U.S. Swiss, this pair gapped down, filled its gap, but closed lower. However, didn't quite break the trend line, long-term trend line that's been created. Still looking for this pair to move higher, possibly going as high as 0.9386, possibly as low as 0.9106. Look for some resistance around 0.9325, and look for some support around 0.9175. Okay, as far as news analysis go, we have one significant news release tomorrow. That is the U.S. releasing the Consumer Confidence Report for November at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's moved higher from 39.8 to 44.0, which would be good news for the U.S. dollar. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go over to the New Zealand U.S. dollar pair, you can see this pair gapped up a significant amount at the open on Sunday, and I am basically looking for it to move lower and go through that gap area. Basically looking to short around the 0.7473 mark down and then exit about 33 pips below that at 0.7440. So looking to grab roughly 33 pips out of that. I do need it to obviously reverse and move lower during this next session, so we'll have to see how that works out. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.